Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase phantom errors. First, check iOS and WhatsApp versions. Outdated builds cause sign-in issues. Once done, backup messages if you want, then sign out of WhatsApp only after noting your phone number. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and your battery is above 20%. Now, force close WhatsApp, restart the iPhone, and reopen the app. This clears transient glitches and prepares the app for re-authentication. Next, re-authenticate and resolve permission roadblocks. When WhatsApp asks, grant contacts and notification permissions so your chats and numbers sync correctly. Denial can break recent connection lists. Tap Verify, choose SMS or call, and type the 6-digit code exactly. Autofill helps. If the code doesn't arrive, toggle airplane mode or try another network. Failing that, reset network settings to clear stuck DNS or carrier issues. After verification, to finish, confirm chats restored and your recent connections appear. If they don't, reinstall WhatsApp, but export or backup chats first to avoid data loss. Make sure iCloud Drive and WhatsApp backup toggles are enabled in settings so future restores work. If the issue persists, gather screenshots, timestamps, and error messages, then contact WhatsApp or Apple support. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle iCloud Drive off and back on, then retry a restore. This often forces stalled backups to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.